So my fingers are crossed like that they would be able to finally remove like this mess, so that way I would be able to get time to practice for our upcoming golf matches. Okay, now let's go. Okay, let's go. Let me get on the sidewalk. Okay, I have more limbs down on this side of the building. Here they are. Car coming. Oh, this is still underwater. It's a ditch. I remember one time, like during like like one storm, there were like these like students, like they went in the ditch to play in the water, which that could always obviously like carry diseases. I know, yeah, that sounds gross. Yeah, but they're not in it this time. Thankfully. Yeah, I know how much, I know, yeah, but this would usually go underwater, like the other ditches. Okay, now, let's go over here. Here we are. I'm surprised that this garage isn't underwater, but usually it is, or is it? Or no? No, it's not. I don't know, they probably dried up the water already. I don't know. No. Okay, here we are. Oh, some people taking photos and videos as well. Oh, this branch is bent. Wow. Oh, and the wind knocked down the basketball goal. Yeah. I heard that someone already took a video of this though, so I decided to come down here and look. Oh, the bus shuttles are now running. Wow, this is my first time that I've ever seen this underwater. emotional roller coaster. These limbs are down. Now like this looks like a pond. Oh, it's kind of like a pond. I bet like alligators will be like tempted for this. Oh wow, this tree fell. Big tree. They must be volunteering to clean up. Are there now? Oh, that's painting. Down goes this big tree. Hello, Max.